Josh and I are both in a very secure place in our lives na kahit gumawa pa kami ng 10 pelikula, hindi naman yun yung intention naman nun ay hindi para makasira ng isang magandang bagay. So, yun lang. Siguro we're in a very secure position in our lives, and it's not, I guess, fair to put it that way to the people that will be, affected with the way that you ask the question. But we'll be fine. I think we're okay. Tira mo, ang saya namin natapos yung Unhappy for You. Lahat ng nasa paligid namin masaya para sa amin. Minamahal pa rin kami. So I think it says a lot about where we both are in our lives.
Nice. In other words, it's a yes. Joshua. That's
yes po. Yun na lang din po yung sagot ko. Kasi actually, kami po ni Jude, parang iba na yung approach namin sa work this time. Mas professional. We know our boundaries na rin, alam mo yan. So, wala naman siguro ganun mangyayari, di ba? And, nagsushoot pa lang kami nito, nag-uusap na kami na sana magawa tayo, pero sana comedy naman. Kasi bigang-biga kami dito. Masaya na ba kayo?
Happy!
Kaya pala indinaya siya sa pain. Yung balat doon naman talaga sa Direct Pictures and yung pain.
Sana na kami peg na...
Sana comedy.
Comedy. Yun na lang yung dinidream namin habang nag-excite na kami ng mabibigan. One day, Josh, mag-comedy tayo. Yung comedy lang.
Okay. Tito Dan, you're good?
It's nice for you to do a comedy next. After Unhappy for You, it should be very happy for you.
Thank you po.
Very happy for you. Very happy for you.
Sir
pa, Justin.
Yung next question natin, babasahin mo from G. Trilliano.
Actually, ang ganda. I was gonna tell you nga, Justin, gusto kong tanongin to from G. Trilliano, ng editor ng Malaya. Ano yun? Okay, there's a video. This is for Julia muna. There's a video of you asking audiences if they would watch your movie with their exes. Kailan ka dumating sa point na you became comfortable enough to meet your ex again, to meet your ex again, and ano yung nag-precipitate nung feeling na yon? Okay na ako to Josh.
So in other words, in a simpler form, ano yung tanong?
Ilan nga rin ako, pero sabi ko ang ganda ng tanong, pero ako nagulo.
Hindi mo tinatanong.
Tita G,
Ano parang kanina ba tinatanong sa'yo?
Alin?
Kayo na mapahawak ng script.
Yung sa mga show daw kasi, first of all guys, tinanong na ibang cast yan. Inulit ko lang yung tanong. Baka hindi klaro. At saka nag-joke lang ako. Kumbaga, hindi ko namang ine-encourage na panoorin niyo with your ex. Kasi choice niyo naman yun, di ba?
Kasi uso mo yun ng mga exes na nag-reunite.
Uso ba yun?
Officially for you, yung sa show yun.
Yes.
Especially for you.
I mean, choice naman niyo yun. I mean, kung parang, di ba, kung script niyo yun.
For entertainment.
For entertainment lang
Parang
naman
masaya
yun.
lang, diba?
Correct. Joke time lang yun. Pero hindi namin sinasabing kailangan panoorin niyo itong sama mga ex. So kayo mag-isa kayo. Okay mo. Basta panoorin niyo. Bayan, take care of yourself.
Josh, may dadagdag ba? Okay. Kasi yung next, ikaw na. The question, what steps did you take to prepare for the role and was asking your current partner's permission included in the steps? Did you ask permission from?
No, hindi ako nag-ask sa partner ko. Kasi bago pa rin kayo magkakilala, alam niyo actor na yung actor na yung trabaho.
Sana all, no?
I'm just very supportive about sa movie. Kung ano naging process ko sa movie, enjoy ko lang yung process. Enjoy ko lang siya, and enjoy ko yung journey na makatrabaho ulit si Julia. And enjoy ko yung journey na makatrabaho si Direk Peterson and lahat ng cast natin dito. Yun lang yung nangyari na. And kung may mali mo kasi kayo magawa, kinokorek na kami ng writers na nila direct.
May writers on the set ka, kayo?
Yes,
Dumadala.
very hands-on sila sa pelikula.
At least Hanson, di pa baya. Charot, hindi pa baya pa. Tawa ng tawa dito, Miss Kaya. Okay. Ano, ikaw to o ako to, Justin? The
next question will come from Jimpy Anarcon of Freebie MNL.
Yay! Birthday ni Jimpy na 2 days ago. Hi, James. Stand up. Happy birthday! Uy, dito si
Thank you so
Julia,
much.
favorite mo.
Yeah.
Thank you
Correct.
so much.
Okay. Okay. First question, ano naman to ha, not naman on the negative side, no? But hindi ba kayo nag-worry? Kasi most of the time, pwedeng dalawa yung effect, di ba? Pag nagre-renew yun yung mga ex. Either, syempre you become friends talaga, which we all hope for. And some, medyo mag-open ng can of worms, parang gano'n. Tapos hindi na magkaka-work after.
Kind
So,
of what?
Can of worms, mga, siguro mga unclosed keme, ganyan. Hindi ba kayo nag-worry na baka mayroong ganong sitwasyon?
May mga mauungkat na ano, may mau-open na issues.
Issues.
Issues. Hindi ba kayo nag-worry na
Hindi
may
ba kayo nag-worry?
mabubuksang issues?
Or naka-ready na kayo or naka-gear na kayo na okay, this will be a fun set. Happy reunion.
Ini-idiomatic expression naman kasi tayo. Ini-idioms tayo ni JP.
Feel ko ready na kami kasi una-una hindi rin namin tatanggapin kung hindi kami ready.
Actually,
Kasi diba, parang bakit namin gugustuhin na masaktan kami dito sa pelikula? Parang sobrang sadista naman natin sa sarili natin. Diba? Parang I think ready na kami bago pa namin kaya. It's been 5 years na din diba? Tagal na. Marami na nagbago and yung ibang-iba na, right?
Yeah, in a good way.
In a good way. Yeah.
Ikaw, Julia.
Ano po
Merong
yun?
addition to that.
Saan?
Doon
Question.
sa mau-open na mga
Kung hindi ka ba nag-worry.
can of worms.
Hindi naman, I don't think it was worry. Honestly, I was just really excited to reunite with Josh, work with him, and work with Derek Peterson, our cast, our writers that, I worked with Kukay several times also. So it was more excitement. I think ang ganda ng mindset namin lahat coming into this project na we all had one goal, and I think that made us bond even closer because of that one goal.
And then Julia, coming from that viral video, no?
What?
Hindi, ito naman, parang...
Hindi ready lahat sila yun yung
Hindi, ang ganda kasi na narating nyo na yung ganong sitwasyon na pwede na siyang pagtawanan, gawing joke. So parang through the years na, yun nga, nagkaroon ng something, tas pwede kayo magka-work ulit ngayon. Paano nyo na-achieve or na-prepare yung sarili nyo to be in that situation na pwede nyo na siyang pagtawanan and you can work together harmoniously?
Yeah.
Sorry. I feel like parang may understanding na kami na even if we don't talk about it, parang okay na sa amin kasi tagal na parang happy na kami sa posisyon namin sa buhay ngayon. And then parang ang gusto na lang namin mangyari ngayon is parang ma-retain yung friendship namin, di ba? Diba? Kasi sayang kasi di ba parang iba na rin yung understanding natin sa isa't isa.
Yes, agree. Tama yung sinabi ni Josh.
Okay. Thank you so much
Thank you
and
so much.
congratulations.
Thanks,
I
James.
mean,
Happy birthday ulit.
happy birthday!
Okay.
Happy
Gusto mong
birthday.
tanongin ko to lang, here's a question kasi ang maganda to pero parang feeling ko nasagot na, so hindi ko na itatanong. For Joshua, Josh, sa palagay mo ba hindi makaka-apekto sa relasyon mo, sa real life girlfriend mo, ang pakikipagtambal mo kay, di ba parang nasagot niya na hindi, you don't have to tell.
Hindi naman.
And for Julia, how was your working dynamic with each other evolved? How has your working dynamic with each other evolved since your last collab?
Our last is Paubaya.
Paubaya. Wala, you know what? It feels so the same and different at the same time. But different is good because it means like over the years, parang nag-evolve na kami as people and as actors as well. So it's nice that we've grown a lot in those past years as we come together and we get to learn new things about each other and then from each other while we're working. So it's really been a really good and fun experience doing this with Josh all over again. Parang iba talaga yung dynamic namin sa trabaho. Ang dali ng trabaho kapag may pagkakaintindihan kayo na kayo lang makakaintindi sa proseso na yun. So it's special. It's different.
Tama namin, it was a real special relationship that you had and up to now you still keep that, di ba? Yung respect for each other, di ba? Kaya ang gandang lumalabas. The question pala came from Wilson Riquiza ng Kapamilya On Demand. Okay, may gusto kang tanongin or we can entertain questions from here, from Alan Diones, I understand. May mga gusto, Mara, may gusto kang tanongin? Bago ko basahin itong 29 questions.
Ayan, Sir EJ, siguro umpisahan muna natin.
Sige.
Naka-standby si Judy Arias of Metro.star.
Ayan, Judy?
Julie Arias po. Hi, Julia, Joshua. I have a question. So, what lessons about love do you hope the audience takes away from the film?
Wala. Tsaka in pain eh. Iiyak
This
pa kami ng
movie
iiyak dito.
is all about feeling ko isa dito yung healing. Healing. Yung pag-accept.
Ang dami, you know why? May sariling personal journey si Juancho, may sariling personal journey si Zai. And even all of our characters here in the movie, we all have our personal journeys na nakikita talaga namin yung isa't isa. Para kami reflection lahat ng isa't isa. We all have our different pains and our different joys. So, but tama si Josh, it's healing, it's letting go, it's accepting, it's setting free. It's really gonna be an emotional roller coaster ride in this film. And yeah, excited kami na guluhin ang buhay niyo for 2 hours. Joke lang.